Il-Partit Nazzjonalista ġab mill-Ingilterra lil Miles Seaman, espert fil-qasam tas-sigurtà li lusa mill-2002 jagħti konsulenza lil Malta. Seaman kien mistieden mill-Partit Nazzjonalista biex jitkellem dwar l-aspett tas-sahha u sigurtà fil-pjan li qed jipproponi l-Partit Laburista. L-espert Ingliż bl-iktar mod ċar qal li l-proposta tal-gass iferma aħjar mill-Heavy Fuel Oil li investa fiha l-Gvern kemm mill-aspett ambjentali, tas-sahha u ta' effiċjenza.
From a health and environmental point of view, which is the best solution? The gas solution or the heavy fuel oil solution?
Well, again, I haven't looked at it in detail, but I would have thought almost certainly the gas solution. I'm out of my area here, but the point is that with gas, first of all, you've got much lower carbon emissions from gas. But secondly, you can build machines that are very, very much more efficient.
Seaman li huwa espert fil-qasam tas-sigurtà u kien involut f'diversi proġetti bħal dawk proposti mill-Partit Laburista jgħid li m'għandux esperjenza ta' nirien u splużjonijiet ikkawżati minn terminals tal-gass.
You have been involved in a number of LNG projects. Have you ever had any experience of any fire or explosion in these kinds of projects? This is my first question.
Actual experience of fires and explosions, you mean? Yes. No, I'm glad to say. I mean, let me say that it is comparatively unusual to have fires and explosions on these plants, and the sort of analysis that you do looks at worldwide data and worldwide experience, and of course you try to draw on the experience of people who have been directly affected, but not many people have experienced these sorts of things, fortunately. Otherwise they wouldn't be around.
Din id-dikjarazzjoni li għamel Miles Seaman iġġib fix-xejn il-biża' li prova joħloq il-Ministru Tonio Fenech bil-proġett li qed jipproponi l-Partit Laburista.
Il-Labour Party se jagħmlilkom riskju ta' bomba.
Konferenza sħiħa l-espert Ingliż semma biss każ wieħed ta' inċident serju li iżda ma kienx jinvolvi terminal tal-gass li qed jipproponi l-Partit Laburista iżda pipeline kif qed jipproponi l-Gvern.
There was a case about it was more like 10 years ago now in Belgium, where a gas pipeline was dug out of the ground by a big earth-moving vehicle and caused a massive fire, killing quite a few people actually in a factory.
Dwar il-pjan tal-Partit Laburista li lest it-terminal fi żmien sentejn, Miles Seaman qal li dan hu pjan ambizzjuż iżda mhux impossibbli.
So my view is that the figure that has been quoted in the press of 2 years is very, very ambitious indeed. Of course, you can't say that it's impossible to do things.
Seaman saħaq li huwa possibbli li jkollok żewġ tankijiet tal-LNG gas dejn xulxin kif qed jipproponi l-Partit Laburista u fid-dinja hawn ħafna eżempji simili.
It can be done, and there are examples of LNG tanks that are quite closely placed together around the world.
Ir-riżulta wkoll li l-Partit Nazzjonalista ma konsulta qatt mal-konsulent li ġab huwa stess f'pajjiżna dwar il-pjan tiegħu tal-pipeline tal-gass, kif ikkonferma l-istess Miles Seaman innifsu.
I'm not sure, but I don't think there are any.
Specifically about the proposal we have in terms of the gas pipeline between Malta and Sicily.
Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Oh, right. Okay. Yeah, no, I haven't looked at that in detail at all.